Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Moniship. Student, today I am going to take your English language class for the student of class 3. Today's topic is gender. Today we will discuss about gender. So let's get started our class. Chapter is gender. Okay, here student, have a look on this picture. Okay, here are given two pictures. Rahul and his father are males and Shunita and her mother are females. Here in these two pictures we are seeing here that they are all of them are people, but we can identify them in a different way. That means Rahul and his father are males and Shunita and her mother are females. So in this way we can identify this person in a different way. It is gender. Okay, nouns can be of four genders, so we can identify gender into four groups. One is masculine. That means masculine refers to male nouns. For example, man, boy, king, prince, lion, drag. Feminine gender, that means it refers to female nouns. Woman, girl, lioness, princess, duck. Neuter gender, non-living things. That refers non-living things. Non-living things means the things that cannot be moved. That cannot be moved. Okay, moved, grow. This is called non-living things like pencil, chair, tree, school. And common gender, it refers to both male and female nouns. That means baby, friend, student, neighbor, doctor, cousin. If we say cousin, it can be your sister or brother. Okay, both. So it is a common noun. It refers both male or female. Now we will do exercise 1. Write the names of the animals in the box in the correct columns on the next page. So here are given some words. Okay, these words are mixed here. Some words are male and some words are females name. Now duck, cock, tigress, lion, bull, goose, mare and vixen. So we have to, here are given two columns, okay, masculine and feminine. In the left side masculine and the right side feminine. So in the gap you have to fill this gap with the following words. Number 1, tiger. So tiger is a, we know tiger is a masculine gender. So what is the feminine of tiger? You know, tigress. So first one is done for you. Number 2, gander, G-A-N-D-R, gander. It is a masculine gender. So we have to find out its feminine. So gander, goose. Feminine, goose, G-O-O-S-E. Number 3, here we can see here a gap. Okay, cow. So what is the masculine of cow? Bull, B-U-L-L, bull. Number 4, dash. You can see in the left side dash. Okay, the right side feminine from lion, lioness. So what is the masculine form of lioness? We know lion, L-I-O-N. Number 5, horse. So feminine form of horse is mare, M-A-R-E, mare. Number 6, drag, D-R-A-K-E, drag, masculine form. So we have to find out its feminine form. We know its feminine form is duck. And number 7, hen. So here you have to write here masculine form of hen. So cock, C-O-C-K, cock. Number 8, fox. Fox is a masculine noun and its feminine form is vixen, V-I-X-E-N. So student, we will do now exercise 3. Change the gender of the nouns in color and rewrite the sentences. So number 1, my brother is an intelligent boy. So in these sentences you will get here two color words. That means it is a black and white color printed page. So you will get here bold letters. Okay, brother or intelligent. You will get here two bolded letter, brother and intelligent. So you have to change here brother and intelligent. Sorry, brother and boy. So my sister is an intelligent girl. So what is the opposite gender of brother, sister, and boy, girl? Number 2, the king and the princess went into the forest. So the king, what is the opposite gender of king? Queen. The queen and the queen and the princess. So we have to write here opposite gender, princess. So prince went into the forest. Number 2, the mare was in the field. Now the mare, there is a color word. Okay, mare, you have to change it in opposite gender. The mare, you know, the opposite gender of mare is a female word, so you have to write male words. Okay, that means masculine word. So the horse was in the field. Number 4, the lion growled at the tiger. So right here the lioness, opposite gender, lioness. Lioness growled at the tigress. Opposite gender of tiger is tigress. Number 5, my aunt helps me with my homework. Aunt here is feminine gender, so you have to write here masculine gender of aunt, uncle. My uncle helps me with my homework. Number 6, Ravi's niece is a doctor. So here niece, it is brother sister's daughter. Okay, niece, it is called niece. And Ravi's niece is a doctor, so opposite gender of niece is nephew. Nephew is a doctor. And doctor, nephew means brother sister's son. It is called nephew. Nephew. Number 7, my son likes to play the guitar. So we will write here opposite gender son, daughter. Daughter. Daughter likes to play the guitar. Number 8, last one, the man was driving a green car. So right here opposite gender of man, woman was driving a green car. So student, repeat this chapter now. Gender. Okay, exercise 1, masculine tiger, feminine tigress. Number 2, gander, goose. Number 3, bull, cow. Number 4, lion, lioness. Number 5, horse, mare. Number 6, rat, dog. Number 7, cock, hen. Number 8, fox, vixen. And number 3, exercise, change the gender of the nouns in color and rewrite the sentences. So first one, my brother is an intelligent boy, so my sister is an intelligent girl. Number 2, the king and the princess went into the forest. The queen and the prince went into the forest. Number 3, the mare was in the field. The horse was in the field. Number 4, the lion growled at the tiger. The lioness growled at the tigress. Okay, number 5, my aunt helps me with my homework. My uncle helps me with my homework. Number 6, Ravi's niece is a doctor. Ravi's nephew is a doctor. Number 7, my son likes to play the guitar. My daughter likes to play the guitar. Number 8, the man was driving a green car. The woman was driving a green car. So we have already completed it, and have a look on this topic. It is your SW number 6. Student, don't forget to mention your SW number at the top of your copy. And your topic, today's topic is exercise 1 only. So I am repeating it. Exercise 1 is your SW. Okay, and SW number 6. So have a look on this topic. It is your XW. Okay, exercise 1, it is your SW. Okay, now student, do your SW at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you.